one, linear function. I claim that we learned this already. We didn't call it a function yet because it's an equation. Okay, so make it formal. Get your definition. A linear function is a function of the form f of x equal to ax plus b. Okay, and I claim that you guys seen that before. You just write it in a different way. We write this way: y equal to mx plus b, and we call it what? Linear equation, equation of the line. All right. So let's match them up. Let me just change the letter A here with the letter M. It's just a letter. Okay, it's a number. So match up with what you learned before: mx plus b, and m and b are real numbers. Okay. And these are numbers, numerical value. Okay, that's called the linear function. Now let's talk about some properties of linear function. Properties. The first one, graph. What kind of graph we're gonna have if we graph a linear function? We're gonna have a line. We know this, right? And m right here will be the slope of the line, and b, well, the book write this way, but I don't like the way that the book write b. I'll write this way: 0, comma b. Looks like a point, right? Where 0 is the x coordinate and b is the y coordinate, is the y-intercept. Okay. We talk about slope, so I'm going to spend some time talking about the slope right here. So about number 2, slope. Let's recall, how do we find the slope of a line? Slope of a line can be calculated, 2 points. Slope denoted by m is what? Y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, right? Or change of y over change of x. Change of y over change of x. And if you go to calculus, usually people write this way: delta y over delta x. Or usually people say what? Rise over run. It's just how we call it the same thing. Slope is calculated. You got 2 points. So graphically, you got 2 points. You can connect the 2 points. You have a line, right? So this from here to here is change of y. From here to here, change of x. So the ratio of rise over run, you have the slope. Okay. Now let's talk more about the slope. Slope m is a fraction. Okay. If m is a positive number, you see that the function is increasing. Well, what we say before, we say what? The line is going up. Same thing as saying the function is increasing. Okay? If m is equal to 0, the function is a constant. We have a horizontal line. Constant. On horizontal line, the line going this way. M is a negative number. Function is decreasing. And what we said before, what the line is going down. It's the exact same thing, just change the tone, change the language a little. And then I remember in chapter 2, we talk about the vertical line, but we're not going to have a vertical line here because the vertical line itself is not a function, okay? The graph of function. Fail the vertical line test. So we'll have 3 cases in here. Let me see if I missed anything in this section before I stop, because that pretty much is everything about the line, and I claim that you guys know everything. Okay? We just change the language. Instead of talking about the equation of the line, and what? Linear function. A function where the graph is a line. Okay, give me 1 second. Let me look at the book. Nope, we're done with this section. It's pretty short. So let me stop our clip right here. Thank you for watching, everyone. And again, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. Okay? But one thing that I gotta remind you is, please read our textbook. Okay? In the board, in the lecture, in the video clip, I try to bring out the main points of the section. That may not cover all the details, and many times the book may explain better than me. So please read your textbook along with watching the video clips. You're gonna get you a better benefit out of it. And of course, any question, please feel free to ask, and I will try to point you guys in the right direction, which I can think of. Okay, thank you for watching one more time, and have a great week.